Welcome to help screen, and if you want to enable team create on Roblox Studio, first thing is open up your Roblox Studio, of course, and now you can just simply go into your experience. So I'm just gonna go for the base plate over here. You can just simply go ahead and select the view icon over here at the top, guys. Now here on the view, you should be able to see this icon over here, team create. So just simply select team create over here. And now you should be able to see the team create tab on the left side of the screen. And you should be able to save and enable the team create to build display together with your friends. So select save to Roblox. And now just simply provide the name of your game. I'm gonna go for,
Well, let's say I'm gonna go for help screen, and down below you should be able to provide a description over here. And of course, the creator is me.
filter out
Down
the
below you should be
devices
able
who
to
can
filter
join.
out devices who can join in. And down below, just make sure to enable the team create and enable the data sharing, and just simply select save. And once you have save it, it will automatically load up. And now you should be able to see your account on the left side of the screen on the team create tab. Now, in order for you to add your friend,
You could just simply go to the top right corner over here and just simply select the plus icon with a person over here, guys. Now, after that, you could add the user over here. I'm gonna provide his name. And after that, you should be able to see it over here. Click on it. And now, you can just simply go ahead and select on this one, and you will have two options. It's either they can only play or they can edit the world. So select edit and select save. So guys, once you have done all of that, next thing that you will do is share the game to your friend. So in order for you to get the link, of course, go to roblox.com and open up any web browser and just simply go to the create tab over here at the top. Now, here on the create tab, you should be able to see here your experience. So here we have the world help screen. So just simply select the three dots over here and just simply go for the copy over here, and you will have a copy URL. And after that, just simply send this to your friend. And when they access the link, as you can see over here, we will try it out. They should be able to see something like this. And they just simply go ahead and select edit in studio, and the studio Roblox will automatically be open, and they should help you out. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.